How's it going, guys? Nick here from Insetta Boatworks. I am standing up here in the tower set up on this beautiful Insetta 35IFC. This is a boat we recently completed and delivered earlier this year. It stays in Tampa, Florida, but we actually picked this boat up, brought it up here to Orange Beach, Alabama for the Wharf Boat Show. We've had 2 days loaded up with sea trials. It's been real good. Jeffrey's gonna meet me back at the back of the boat, and we're gonna walk you through this thing, so come on over. So back here we're hanging out with the guys from Honda Marine. This boat's equipped with twin 350 Hondas on the back. Been very impressed with these so far. Calm water and a light to medium load. We're doing really good numbers with them so far. Everywhere from, 1 if you're high speed trolling, 1 mile per gallon, or today, past couple of days, we've been doing 1.8, 1.9 inshore. So pretty impressed with this setup, and it's just another great option. All of our boats are semi-custom, so the choice is yours on what power you want to have. This one's also got this cool rear corner seating. We've got dual 40-gallon live wells. Like all boats, they're pressurized by our pump box that's down in here. He's got a standard mid-range transducer on this side, and on that side, I'll give you a look real quick. He's got the big old 3KW. These guys do a lot of fishing, a lot of bottom fishing. They're gonna deep drop, they're gonna swordfish. And what's actually really cool is today, they are going to pick this boat up. They're gonna run it from here in Orange Beach all the way back home to Tampa and do some fishing and have some fun along the way. We've got the standard walk-through transom, rod holders across the back, a nice little freshwater rinse down for when folks are coming in and out of the water, if you're diving, spearfishing, hanging out at the sandbar. This cooler is also plumbed to be a live well. We put 3 bags of ice in here 3 days ago, and we've still got quite a bit of ice in here, so they've been holding up quite well. Drop down tackle and rigging station here. You can customize these to have whatever you like. The biggest hit on these boats, trash cans. We do a lot of cool stuff with our boats, but for some reason, everybody thinks trash cans are one of the coolest things. JL audio around the boat, 3 wide Helm seating. Obviously, you can see this tower setup, how I got up there and down from there quite easily. We've got some sea deck on here. You're gonna step up a couple times, go up. It's super easy to get up there, nice and safe. At the helm, we've got dual 24-inch Simrads. We've got phone chargers all over the place. We've got Optimus steering system, SeaKeeper Ride setup. Your binnacle, VHFs up top. Pretty nicely equipped boat. Coming on down in here into the console, they've got an electric flush head. And like all our boats, I mean, the rigging is always phenomenal. I gotta give a shout out to the guys at the shop. We take pride in the work. Everything's nicely organized, temperature regulated, ventilated, etc., etc. But this thing is absolutely sweet. Up on the bow, you're going to see our power pole trolling motor on this thing. We've been very impressed with this unit so far. Like most things, we're a semi-custom builder, so you choose all of your options, electronics, items like this, motors, power, colors, everything. So there's plenty of good options on the market for all the components, which is really cool. Open array, Simrad up top. We've got the 4-foot array, Psionics night vision. Monstrous, cavernous coffin box up here. They are going to absolutely load this thing up with ice today for their long trip. So great use case for it. Another insulated box here. And you got to come take a look at the size of this drum windlass on this boat. This thing is absolutely massive. Nice, heavily reinforced, mounted to a stainless backing plate. I believe we got, over 1,000 feet of capacity on this thing, so absolutely massive unit there. And in-deck boxes, your standard storage, access to your macerator pumps, which are for your fish boxes. And if you see right there, you've got that little Y valve that ties into your black water tank. So when you're 3 miles offshore, you can pump your waste directly overboard. And this is a fish box right here. Both sides mirrored like all other boats. Plenty of space in here, and we are looking forward to seeing these guys hopefully load this thing down with fish today, tomorrow, and on their cool little trip. So, hey, we're gonna enjoy the rest of our time down here in Orange Beach. We got a couple more rides to do, and if you're interested in Insetta, reach out to us and we'd be happy to show you a boat, take you for a sea trial. Have a good one.